Hey guys, this is Will over here at Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland. This is a how-to video. Let's get right into it. I'm going to be showing you how to reset the fuel economy on a Jeep Gladiator. First, you want to turn the vehicle on. Once the vehicle's on, you should see this. And the way you reset that is by using this button here. You hold it down until it resets. There you have it. And that's how you do that thing I just showed you. You can give me a call at 304-918-3070 if you have any questions, or you can come see me here at Fulenwider Dodge in Eastland.